Let's get these guys out of here. See what we gotta do to get them running. So these are both Briggs & Stratton mowers. This one has the prime, this one has the auto choke. Yeah, so I expect that they just will be not too much of a difficult fix. Let's see though. I did some tinkering off camera to both of them. Red one's really not worth filming because I just basically took off the bowl of the carburetor, sprayed a little bit in there, and it ran like brand new, so I'll show you that now. I will film my oil change, I'll do an oil change and whatnot. But yeah, that one was just a clogged main jet, and I have a billion videos on that. This guy is a little bit rougher. Sure, it's got a sheared flywheel key because the first time I pulled it, I yanked it, it lashed back and gave me that bloody bit there. And I couldn't get it to run. I don't think it'll run. It'll just lash back. It's kind of painful. Not too keen on running either, just a little smoky. So let's get the top off and see what we can do about the flywheel. Let's tear this guy open. All right, so my suspicions were correct. If we look on in here, there's the key, there's the slot for the key. Key, slot for the key. So we gotta get this flywheel off of here. And here are the remains of the flywheel key. Let's go get another one. Here's the new flywheel key. Let's install it. And the flywheel key is fitted, if you guys want to look at it. Oops. There you go. Let's put this lawnmower back together. I'm just going to try to start it. Hopefully there was some gas in the bowl of the carburetor. There we go, guys. 1,000 times better. And we got some smoke in here. That'll get the mosquitoes out. Let's fill it up and actually see if it works well. Let's see what we got. Seems pretty smoky. I wonder what the smoke is from. I mean, I guess I'll check the oil. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, it's a bit overfilled on oil. I'll drain the oil, give it some more. So it's up to there. A little high. Not too high. I don't know why it's smoking that much. Filter's clogged up. That might also cause smoking. At least it does on diesels. It's pretty good. that wouldn't be causing our smoking issue. Let's drain this guy. Ew. Either it's not been changed in a long time or there's some water in that oil. Blech. Up with some 10W30 oil. I totally forget how much oil these things take. I know it's not very much though. I'll also do the Craftsman. Which looks like it's actually very low on oil. So, good thing we're changing it. Not very much coming out of this guy. Alright, now I'll fill this guy up. Alright, well that's going to be the end of this video. So, I think that's all you guys need to see. Oh, this one stopped smoking after I ran it for a little while and changed the oil. This one never smoked in the first place. So there you go. Thanks for watching.